Okay, next. We use the same method. Clean the other 3. Okay, now all 4 spark plugs are cleaned. Next, I'll get in the car and ignite it to try. See if the problem is solved. If solved, friends, remember to give me a like. Support it. Your support is my biggest motivation for making videos. If you can still give me some attention, if you have any car questions in the future, you can ask me. Let's go. Apply the brakes first. Start up. Did you see it? A success. Try again. Success again. The problem has been completely solved. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.